Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at creating a flowchart using Visio 2010. Now Visio is a part of Microsoft Office. So if you go to your programs in your start menu, you should go to the Microsoft Office folder and you will see after you've downloaded, I have 2007 here, plus I have 2010. So I recommend you download the latest version, 2010. So here I have Visio open, and let me minimize it a little bit so you can see everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a basic flowchart. So that's my template. So I'm on new here, and here are the templates you can choose from. I'm going to do basic flowchart. I'm going to click on create. And what you're going to see is that's going to set up some shapes over here and a grid form here, okay? And these shapes are your basic flowchart shapes. Now if you take a look at figure 216 on page 20, you will see that you have the process step. You will see that you have the data step here, the data block, which we also call input and output symbol. And you will see that you also have the start end symbol. So if you wanted to create a form that looked very similar to what you see on page 20, now you grab your flowchart symbol and you go ahead and drag it where you want to, and then double click and I'll write start. That's simple. And then the next symbol I want is the input output. Okay, you can resize these as you see. And if you want an arrow to go from here to here, what you do is you click on the direction of the arrow. See right there? And that will create that arrow for you. And then a double click allows me to enter current weekly pay and raise percentage. Okay, and so we've got that one done, and it looks now like I have some processing steps. So I'll drag that on there and try to center it. Again, going to the previous one, I see the arrow, click, and that creates the arrow for me. It looks like I'm not aligned there, so I'll go ahead and align and type in calculate weekly raise equals, I'm not going to type it all, but then you just continue on for every step that you have. Okay, and I'm not going to go ahead and type it in for times because it saves some time. And whoops, I do like to see the arrows straight, so move your flowchart symbols if you have to. And from here, whoa, Control Z is undo, something like that happens. And here I have my flowchart. You can color it, etc., things like that. So if you want to take your flowchart and save it right here, it's going to save with file with an extension of VSD. However, if you've got other parts of your assignment that require Word, look how easy I just dragged around the entire flowchart, and that selected it. And then I'm doing Control C to copy, or any other way you like to copy. Then you can open up your Word and paste it, whatever number it is that you're on, and your flowchart will just be similar to an image there in your Word file. Hope this helps.